The next portion of your duct system is where it starts. It's going to start with the start collar off the supply air plenum. So it's going to start here, and then eventually it will end where your vent is in your room. So that duct's going to start with the start collar. Eventually it's going to travel down through the attic, and we're going to have a TY, which is where the airflow or the duct is going to get split up so that it can feed multiple rooms. You know, a bedroom 1, a bedroom 2, or maybe 2 bathrooms, or it could be the kitchen and living room. Next, we like to do at ALPS is we install volume air dampers so we can actually control the airflow to each room individually. That way we can dial in the airflow correctly and get the amount of flow needed to meet that demand based on a manual J load calculation. We can actually get the airflow, the correct airflow, to be able to keep that room at a specific temperature and not have hot and cold spots throughout the home. So airflow and delivery is extremely important. The next part of the duct system is going to be the elbow. What we like to do at ALPS is install an elbow so that we're not actually installing a duct and kinking it right at the boot or box where it's going into the wall or to the ceiling. So we install an elbow right in here, which allows a nice radius for that duct to connect where it's not going to get kinked up and smashed, or just allows a nice flow for that airflow to be delivered with the least amount of restriction. One other thing we like to do at ALPS is install bar type supply air grills. This is going to help throw the air further across the room. You can open and close it just like you can with the typical 3-way or stamp face grill. But with the 3-way or stamp face grill, it's fixed, so the airflow goes 3 different directions. You can't control what direction. All you do is control open and close. With the bar type register, you can actually angle these little levers left or right, or the little vanes, and you can direct the airflow where you want it. And it's also a lot less restrictive and allows the air to flow further across the room, which is what you want it to do. If you can't get the air across the room, you're never going to be able to get satisfied with your heating and cooling needs. For return air grills, we also like to use the bar type return grill, which is a lot less restrictive than a typical stamp face grill, and that's mostly what you'll find in existing systems nowadays is the stamp face, because most homes that we go into have just heat only, and with heat only, airflow is critical, but not as critical as it is with air conditioning. So with air conditioning, you want to have a bar type return air grill so you get the maximum amount of airflow and the least amount of restriction on that fan. Thanks for tuning in and watching Alan with ALPS Air Conditioning. Have a great day.